Hey everyone, Ahmed here. What if I told you there is a hidden app on your Android device right now, quietly working in the background, and you never even agreed to install it? Today we're diving deep into a controversial system app that developers have tucked away on almost every smartphone. If you value your privacy, you need to watch this. Drop a like if you're ready, and let's get right into it. Alright, grab your phone and follow along. Head over to your main settings, scroll down and tap on Apps or Application section. Now tap on See Apps and then hit those three lines or dots at the top and select Show System Apps. In the search bar, type in Android. Keep scrolling down until you spot an app called Android System Safety Core. Let's open it up. Now tap on Permissions. At first glance, it looks completely empty, right? Don't let that fool you. This app basically has full network access, view network connections, prevent phone from sleeping, and the kicker, these are permissions you cannot easily disable from this screen. So, what exactly is this app doing? Well, Android developers covertly integrated this to detect potential sensitive or dangerous content using artificial intelligence. It's designed to monitor messages, social network interactions, and scan for adult content, fraudulent texts, and malicious links. They slipped this in under the radar to build a database of activity, and they seem to be watching to see how users react. The good news, you can take control back. I suspect that in time, like in future updates, might ban us from removing this altogether. So, act now. Here is exactly what you need to do. First, don't just hit delete right away. Go into the app's storage settings and tap on clear storage if you can. But here, in my case, this option is disabled. Next, go to the battery section and set it to restricted or limit its background operation. Then, disable any mobile data access it has. Toggle off any other active settings you see on this page. Once you have stripped all its permissions and background access, go ahead and hit delete or disable. This app offers absolutely zero value to us as everyday users but gives developers a backstage pass to our data. Delete it and go back to using your smartphone freely. Well, that's it for this video. Have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next video.